Hello. We are here with another episode of Learning Prancer under 3 minutes. In this video, I talk about how Prancer can find secrets inside the ISC templates. It's a common mistake of DevOps engineers that they put some secrets inside the code and then commit the code back to the remote branch. The problem is when that happens, then the secret is compromised and there is a vulnerability in the environment. Prancer can prevent this problem to happen, and the way that we are doing that, we are scanning every ISC template at each commit or when you are raising a PR to make sure there is no secret involved in your ISC template. Usually secrets are in the format of the passwords or other kind of sensitive information inside the ISC template. To find them, we have 3 methods to do that. First, we are searching for keywords, some keywords like the password or other sensitive keywords. If we find them, then we are raising a failed test. The second item is the patterns. So we are looking for some patterns inside the code to be able to find the secrets. For example, when you are creating a Azure SQL, then the admin password, there is like a special configuration and special attributes you have to use in your ISC template to be able to set the password. So we are checking for those patterns. If they're available in the code, then we are raising an error and a failed test case. And the third item we are doing is based on the entropy. So usually in the normal ISC template syntax, there is like a flow of the words and syntaxes that DevOps engineers are using. But if there is a word with lots of, for example, numbers, uppercase, lowercase, or special characters, then the entropy of that specific word is high and we are raising an error, and that could be like a secret in the code. Now I want to show you how you can use Prancer platform to find secrets and passwords in your ISC template.
First, I want to show you some ISC templates with the hard-coded secret inside. This is Prancer Terramera. It's a repository on the GitHub, and Prancer maintains this repository, and it's a vulnerable by design repo. It means that we put some security misconfiguration inside just for the educational purposes. And you can see that here we have an AWS file, and in this AWS Terraform file, we have some secret key hard-coded inside the template, which is obviously a secret and a security misconfiguration which we have to prevent. The second example I want to show you, we have the Azure SQL in the Terraform, and in the tfvars file for the Azure SQL, again, you see that we have the admin password hard-coded inside the template, which is again a security misconfiguration. The third item, on the GCP side, on the Google Cloud, we have a container cluster, and the Terraform code in the tfvars file contains the password for the Kubernetes cluster. So these are all based on the Terraform, one example from AWS, one from the Azure, and one from GCP. And also we are supporting cloud native format. As an example, there is another repository called Prancer Armov, and this is a repo vulnerable by design based on the native Azure ARM template. And here for the log analytics agent, we have the JSON format based on the ARM template. And inside the parameters, we have the workspace key hard-coded inside the ARM template. Now we want to see how Prancer platform can find these secrets inside the code and report them back to the DevOps engineer. Now let's see how I can find those problems inside the Prancer platform. I use Resource Explorer and I will select like the collection that I have. For example, we talk about AWS Teramera and selecting the connector, getting all the snapshots that are available here, and I'm searching for the specific items I'm looking for, like this AWS secret Terraform file. You see that it's not compliant. When I click on that, there are like 3 test cases that are failed, and you can see in the result that it says there's a possibility that access key is compromised, or the account ID, or the password. And if you click on the failed test cases, you have the snapshot available for the same Terraform file. When I click on the view snapshot, I see yes, there is a problem, and the AWS secret key is hard-coded inside the ISC template, which is a problem. I can find the same thing for the Terraform for the Azure, and finding that SQL Server with the hard-coded password. These are all the failed test cases for that SQL, and you can see there is a possibility that secure password is exposed. And when I click on this failed test case, I can see in the Terraform tfvars file, the password is hard-coded inside the template, which is not the correct way of putting the password for the SQL. So this is how Prancer can find those secrets inside your ISC template, and you can fix these problems by moving these passwords to a secure vault that your company is using. You can get the same reports in our report section. For example, here, if I search for password, I can find all the failed test cases regarding the password with the selection that I have. And when I click on that, I can see the detail of the error and ISC template that containing the password. So this is how Prancer platform can help you to find the secrets and hard-coded passwords in your ISC template and to fix it after that.